Right, surprise everybody. Johnny, Mr. Forex Fire. I did say I wasn't going to trade the day, but we're just going to have a look at maybe a couple of setups. Let's have a look. I'm not going to trade on the resetted account from the mistake the other day with the fat fingers. If you haven't seen it, go check out the last video. What I am going to do, I'm going to look at the GBP USD, okay, and the Euro or the Euro USD, sorry. So we've come out the Asian session. We came in, we came back up into this area here, and then we spiked back down into this. This is more of an aggressive move, to be fair, because the same candle did the touch. We came in here, we had the separation candle here. We'll go down to the 1 minute, and what you're looking for on here is the bearish candle because we're looking for the buy. So you're looking for the bearish candle, and then you're looking for the bullish engulfing, So you're looking for that, and you're looking for that on the 1 minute, which there's your bearish candle, and there's your bullish engulfing after it. So we could technically have a trade here. Again, on the euro, we'll look at the euro as well. We'll go at the 15 minutes. You can see we came out the Asian session low to the high. Again, it came back in touch, so a bit of an aggressive move, okay? Very aggressive move. We go down to the 1 minute, and we're looking for that sell uh, bearish candle to the buy, okay? So again, let's just take a look. The 1 minute. So we've got doji, which could be classed as a bearish sell, okay? And then the engulfing, which is this one a little bit further up. So again, that's where we are with that. So it can be classed as a doji as well, to be fair, and that was a red. And then we're going for once again the bullish engulfing buy. So it's very minuscule, that red, 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 and then a slight green one. So we've got two trades set up there. The CAD JPY at the minute. Again, the strength. Let's have a look at the strengths. So we pushed out of the Asian session, also the New York PM of yesterday, also the New York lunch, also the New York AM of yesterday. I want to look at the strengths on the euro, the GBP, and the USD. The USD is very, very strong compared to the GBP, at least. So we go to the GBP. This may want to sell off. This might tap us out, okay? And the reason I say that is because the GBP against the US dollar, the GBP against the US dollar, that's definitely going to tap us out, okay? The euro against the US dollar, we may get something. Uh, we may get something. We'll just have to wait and see. We'll take that down to the 1 minute. We'll see where we are. Yeah, it's just tapping along the way. We'll go to the CAD JPY. So the CAD is relatively strong. The JPY is super weak at the minute. Hence why this is momentum is on the upside. Okay, so we're going to go back to the euro, and we're going to go down to 1 minute. We're also going to go down to the 1 minute on the GBP USD as well. I do think this one will top us out, to be fair, and that's relatively just because of this here to this here. Strength's too much in the favor of the US dollar, so to speak. Okay, so I'll just keep that mindful. I'm going to pause the video. I'll be back in a short while. Okay, guys, let's take a look where we're at. We're coming up to just after 10 a.m. We'll just see if we reached a one-to-one area. White. That is your what would be maybe a take partial or moving SL to break even, whatever you want to call it. Uh, that there is the 1% take partial. Okay. It's heading towards that. The Euro USD, however, has surpassed that area for sure. We're heading towards 2%. And I'm just going to keep this super simple, super quick, because I am winding down for Christmas, to be fair. What we can see, we are more or less there, to be honest. Like I say, I'm going to keep it super simple. I'm not going to go too much in depth. You've been watching since the beginning of the video when we're getting in on the entries, how the entries come about, and what's been happening. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll pause the video. I'll come back on once we've either hit the TPs or we come back to an SL area. Just keeping this one super simple, super quick, and concise. Okay. So I shall see you in a bit, guys. Right, okay, guys, it looks like we may hit the 2%. We just need that little bit more of a push. It doesn't get any closer than what we've seen here. It looks like it's going to push back down, unless we're going to get that little bit more momentum, hopefully. We'll see what's happening with the GU. Obviously, we've tapped in that 1% take partial area. It's the EU. I'm hoping we're going to get the push over to get the 2% on here. Again, we'll take a little look at this. 15 minutes, we came down, we struck out of the Asian, okay? 15-minute low, market structure shift to a 15-minute high displacement, okay? We take it down to a 5-minute. There's the low to the high from that market structure shift, tapping back into the 50% on this candle here, okay? Which lets us take it down to the trigger point. The trigger point being you need a bearish candle and then a bullish engulfing for the buy. And we can see on here, after the touch on here, in fact, it could have gotten in on this candle here. Didn't realize that. There's a setup there where you could have gotten in at. But we got in on this candle here. And again, we are just about to hit the 2%. I do believe if we'd gotten in that little bit earlier here, to be honest, we would already be at the 2%. Because again, coming down to the touch, that candle there is bearish, the bullish one. So yeah, we've gotten it at the right area, in my opinion. We're just waiting for that little bit extra push to go into the target area. There we have it, guys. 2% on the Euro USD. The GBP USD is heading up as well. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take a quick screenshot of this. I'm going to post it into the Discord. And I'll just upload this into here, first of all. I'll get rid of that. It'll be to reply to that bit there. Get this on here, upload the file. We'll just put that in. Yeah, so we've got that on there. That's the Euro USD completed. We do just need to see the GBP USD. What I'm going to do for this one, guys, I'm going to end the stream here, but if I'm uploading this into the Discord, I'll update anything that happens on here. We are at the take partial area, obviously, and we did enjoy some drawdown as well as we did on the Euro USD as well. So I'll update anybody if this is on Facebook. I'll update the chart progress on this. Same on Discord. I'll update the chart progress on this as well. For now, that's me completely for Christmas. There's going to be no trading next week or no updates on what I'm doing because we are officially the 13th of December. I want the whole week off next week leading up to Christmas as well. Okay. So hopefully from what I've been sharing in the Discord, we'll get this all put together and ready sometime in the new year. If you've been watching on Facebook, you're gonna need to act fast to get in on the Discord because the things that I've got changing in the Discord, people that are already in there at a locked in price on there. I may be shifting the price on the stuff that I'm doing on that. But the ones that are in the Discord, you've got no worries. Use a grandfathered in that price. Uh, the ones that aren't and that I've been watching on Facebook, I've got a lot of stuff that I'm coming with regards to a couple of years and more so this with sessions as well. Okay, so get in, act fast, lock it in, get in and get activated, ready for the coming year. So that's me for now, guys. I hope you all have a great Christmas. Share the screen one last time. We can see we're heading up towards just past the partial and up towards the 2%. The Euro USD, we've smashed through that. So another great session, a very consistent system. Like I say, guys, have a great weekend coming up and more so have a great Christmas. For the guys that are in the Discord, if you need me, still reach out to me at any time. I'm always available for you guys. You know that. If you need a chat, or get on a call or anything like that, I can easily get on a chat with you. I don't mind that. You know that. All you need to do is just go into the support area of the Discord and just give us a shout out. Okay. Anything else? I shall catch you all later.